Nowadays, cover letter has become very popular. Before, all company used to ask for a resume or a CV. But now, whenever you go and apply for any of the job of any of the job portal, you do get an option for a cover letter as well. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a one nice and good cover letter. And some people also call cover letter as a motivating letter or a motivation letter. Alright, cover letter is basically a quick introduction about your qualification, your experience, and the format of the cover letter is such where in the first paragraph you are going to mention about the position you are applying for and how you came to know about that position or where you saw that advertisement. Second paragraph you mention about your education, and you try to relate your education to the position and how it has helped you to achieve a success in your previous job profiles. And then in the third paragraph you are going to mention about your current job profile and try to relate it to the position you are applying for. And I will give you some tips as well how you can find out a job profile and how you can write them basically for the position you are applying for. There is a one very quick tip I have for you. And the third and the fourth paragraph you are going to mention about like how the recruiter can contact you, and you have enclosed your resume. This is how the basically a format of cover letter. So I will take you on my laptop screen now and I will show you how you can write a very quick and good cover letter for you. And if you are looking for a resume, if you want to create a one good resume for you, so recently I have posted a video. This video, if you want, you can watch out this video. I will give you a link on this I button, and I will also leave a link into a description below. So if you want, you can watch this video as well and can create a good resume for you. I have also given some resume templates to download in that video link, so you can use those templates as well and can create a good resume for you. And also one quick information I would like to share, we also run a premium services for a resume and cover letter. So if you are facing a difficulty to create your cover letter, to create your resume, you can contact us on this email ID, or you can contact us on a WhatsApp +91 9690490043. That's the number. You can drop a message over here and we will forward you the details how you can get done your resume, get done your cover letter. So let's not waste the time and dive on our laptop screen, and I will show you how you can create a nice cover letter. Hello guys, so you are here now on my laptop screen and we are going to create a cover letter, and I will try to link some of the cover letter templates in the description of the video so you can download them. So today's cover letter which we will create, so our cover letter is going to look somehow like this. All right, so let's proceed. As I said earlier in the video, you have to write down basically first of all what you are going to mention in the cover letter. So these are the 4 paragraphs I have already written. This paragraph says about the opportunity you are going to apply and whatever position you are going to apply in the organization, and then you mention about your education, how it is relevant, and then you mention about your experience. You can also mention some of the job profile which are relevant, and then at the last you mention about, after reviewing my resume, I hope you will agree, and this is how you request a recruiter to contact you, and you mention your email ID and phone number. So this is the information I have already written. If you want, I will also link this in the description below, so you can download this and you can just edit it as per your requirement. Okay, so basically this is the format I am going to use, and now many people must be wondering how do we create this type of template, right? So it is very easy guys. Let me just show you quickly in case you are unable to make any of the template. However, I have already linked them, but let me just show you quickly so you will have some idea how do you create. So you go to the layout, first of all go to the margins, then go to the custom margin here, and then here you do all zero, and you do OK, and then you go to insert, go to shape, take any of this and then bring this here. All right, and then double click on this, and then you go to the fill. Then you can choose any of the color, or if you want you can choose any of the grade, and if you want you can choose any of the texture as well, and this is what texture was chosen there. All right, and this is how it is. And that other one which I created, you go to the shape again, somehow like this, and you create this, and then copy and paste this, bring this down. All right, and then copy and paste again, bring it here, bring it little bit bigger and paste it in the middle. bring it a little bit this side, and the down one you bring little bit this side, and now you can color them. This one I can color like suppose orange, and this one I can color if you want you know, I can keep it blue, and this one if I want I can keep it this one, right? So somehow like this you create, and then how will you write over here? You go to insert and you go to text, you go to draw, and then you draw a text here, and now here you can write your name and whatever you want here, and you can adjust the size. All right, so I'm not going to save it. This is how you create any of the template. So I'm gonna edit this one. So here let me write down a name. Let me write down my name, Akshay Kumar, and the position, suppose I'm applying for a storekeeper. Storekeeper, and you save it, and then over here you write cover letter, and then from here you will start. So first of all you have to mention a company address. All right, so like suppose whatever the company address is, you write company address, and then whatever the address is gonna come over here. All right, I'm gonna make it 12 and yellow, and then the subject will come. Subject, applying for the position storekeeper. All right, and then you mention, do not mention guys dear sir, dear ma'am. It looks really very awkward. Like suppose you know it's awkward when someone reads it, so you must write dear hiring manager. Sounds good, right? This one sounds good, dear hiring manager. And now you start. Like suppose I have already written, thank you for the opportunity to apply for the storekeeper role at your company. After reviewing your job description, it's clear that you are looking for a candidate that is extremely familiar with the responsibilities associated with the role and can perform them confidently. Given these requirements, I am certain that I have the necessary skills to successfully do the job adaptively and perform above expectations. So this is the first paragraph gonna come over here. All right, and you paste it here. Right, this is the first paragraph, and then second paragraph, mention about your education and mention how it is relevant to the position you are applying and how it has helped you to gain. Like, my hotel management degree has helped me to attain all required skills and qualities to perform the job task before the deadline. I am a hardworking professional who has been consistently praised as adeptly by co-workers and management. Alright, and then you mention about your experience, where are you working, and mention about your job profile. The same is mentioned here. Over the course of 10 years career, I have developed a skill set directly relevant to the store manager role you are hiring for, including accountant, development, distributor management, and sales forecasting. Overall, I have consistently demonstrated analytical leadership and problem-solving abilities to every aspect of my store manager role at Subway. I invite you to review my detailed achievement in the attached resume. Alright, and then at the end, you sum up and you say, after reviewing my resume, I hope you will agree that I am the type of competent and competitive candidate you are looking for. I look forward to elaborating on how my specific skills and ability will benefit organization. Please contact me on the phone number you mentioned and or via email and the email ID you mentioned, so we can arrange a convenient time for the meeting or an interview. Right, and then you mention here your sincerely, right, sincerely, and then your name, Akshay Kumar, and then you come down and you make sure you mention resume enclosed. All right, so this is how one cover letter is written. And if you have somebody, means if you have a reference, or if suppose any of your friend, any of your relative is working in the organization, so make sure you mention, write down to the your experience, you mention about the references here. So this is the reference part. This is where you are going to mention about the reference, mention means who is working in the organization, mention their employee ID, all right, and mention how you are relative. So this also helps sometimes. All right, so this is how the cover letter is going to be, and I have linked some of the templates in the description below. If you want, you can download them and you can use them, and if you want, you can create by yourself as well. I have just showed you how you can create a nice template by yourself as well. Some cover letter templates I have given in the description below, so if you want to have some templates, you know, ready to use, you can go and click on that link and you will get an option to download a cover letter templates. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you then please make sure you like this video. Please tell me into the comment section how was the video and how we can improve our content. Please let me know into the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do subscribe and press the bell icon and do the all notifications on, so when we make more interesting videos like this, you will get notified automatically. Till then, take care. Bye bye.